All right, how am I looking? Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Kanika of Face Candy Studio. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing so you'll be notified when all new episodes become available. If you've been rocking with us since the beginning, thank you, we appreciate you, and let's get started. So New York City has actually finally bit the bullet and is mandating that everybody walk out of the house wearing a face mask. Yes, everybody has to wear a face mask, and we are still required to maintain social distancing when we are in public places by maintaining 6 feet of distance between ourselves and another person. Now, I'm not here to be a troublemaker. I'm definitely not here to be a troublemaker, but I'm here to talk about what the future of Carnival is going to look like. When carnivals are back on, right, because all of them have been biting the dust, I wonder if they're going to be requiring us to wear these face masks. Now, if you joined our live a couple of weeks ago, there was a lot of conversation amongst us about wearing a face mask. Now, I said I was not interested in wearing a mask. The reason why is because, for obvious reasons, when I get my makeup done, half my face is going to be covered by a mask. Let's imagine how this is going to look. I'm talking about a mask that's going to come over my face and over my ears. It's covering my nose, my mouth, my chin. Do you see how much of my face is going to be covered up by this mask? You won't be able to see the deliciousness that's my lips. You won't be able to see this highlight. Do you see this highlight? Ding ding. Okay, all this glow, all this fabulosity that we will be bringing to the road on Carnival Monday and Tuesday on Carnival Day, and it's going to be covered up by a mask. Who would have ever thought that Carnival would come to this? I really would have never thought that Carnival would come to this. So, of course, there are some people who are about making that money, and they are making Carnival masks. They're making some that matches the flag that you rocking, match your costume, that probably they're jamming it out. They're doing all of this stuff. But I could just imagine what's going to happen after you get your makeup done and you put it on. Do you realize how hot it's going to be? Now, I am not telling you not to wear a mask, because if that makes you feel comfortable, or if the government for the carnival that you're going to is requiring that you wear one, I don't see how this is happening. How are you going to maintain 6 feet of social distancing when you're winding down the place? I guess you're going to have to walk with a big stick and say, wind on the pole. Just wind down so, because I don't see how that's happening. Anyway, I digress. Let's get back to the point of this conversation, which is the face mask. Now, in previous years, I did see some costume designs with a mask on, and those were like gem type of jewelry type mask. I personally am not about those either, because I don't need no fake nothing on my face, and then when the sun hits me and takes a hold of that fake metal, what's going to happen to my skin underneath? But if that's the move you want to make, by all means make that move. The future of Carnival is it's just up in the air. There's a big question mark in my head as regards to what's going to happen to this. All these ladies, you're going to get your makeup done, you're going to have your highlight on, you're going to have your gems, and the only thing you're really going to see is your eyes and your eyelashes and your beautifully shaded eyebrows. It just breaks my heart that this is what Carnival is coming to. And then when you need to take a drink, you have to take the mask off. And then when you want to, I don't know, reapply your lipstick, reapply your lip gloss, whatever it is that you want to do, you're going to have to take the mask off, put it back on, because you have to protect yourself. By all means, we definitely have to protect ourselves, right? But it's just, I would have never thought that this would have really become a thing. Now, for those of you who are out there and about to make some big money on this, by all means, do what you do, because I'm not about to mess up your money. I'm not about to rain on your parade. But it's just kind of like, My goodness, here we are wearing a mask that's going to be covering half our face. Do you know the type of sunburn that you're going to get? It was one thing when, women would go out with eyeglasses on and you get a sunburn that way. But now you're going to have like this funny looking rectangular shape on your face, plus the loops of the face mask on. And then, of course, it covers your chin, but you would definitely be protected. So I want to hear your thoughts. How many of you out there are considering going to Carnival? Like, is this going to stop people from going to Carnival because they're going to wear a mask? Or are you down for wearing a mask? What are your thoughts? Let's have a conversation. Comment below. Let me know whether you're going to get a Carnival costume with a mask to match it. Are you going to lean towards costumes that have a mask already included? Are you going to nix Carnival altogether until all of this is lifted and we can get back to a normal? Or is this going to be the new normal for Carnival? I don't necessarily think it's going to be a new normal for Carnival, but I foresee it being something of a thing in the very near future. So, on that note, I am signing off. If you want to know of all of our events and stay in touch, please log on to www.facecandystudio.com and be sure to follow us on Instagram at facecandystudio. And until next time, stay beautiful. Mwah.